Hey guys, so I am playing Get a Snack at 4 a.m. I know, I'm so cool. Rachel, say hi to your loyal fans.
Loyal fans.
My fans, which are your loyal fans.
What fans do you have?
None.
I know friends or fans.
Okay, she said hi to you guys. Now, let's play. I already got a bunch of endings, but I want to do the ending where, like, you don't survive the flood. So, I forgot what to do. Oh, you gotta get all the money. Like, all of it. All the money you can find. Let's see. I know where all the money is. Hello. Uh... Not this money. Not that money. Not that money. I can't eat those chips because then my dad will get mad. Okay, time to get more. Why? Okay, I thought it was morning. Can it turn morning? I don't know. Okay. What ending was I trying to get again? Oh yeah, I remember. And I don't have to do the extra things because I already got this ending, but I just wanted to like get the ending where you don't survive it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Ooh, I got a bunch of money. How did I get 100? Hello. Hi. Let's go. What does my shirt say? Oh, it just says my username. But it's kind of like pixelated, so I don't know how I read that. Let's go to my room. I'm gonna turn on my light, because who likes the light off? Okay. Now, I know how to do this. Definitely didn't have to look up a YouTube video. So you gonna pop out or I can't do the ending anymore. Come on. I don't like this game. Well, now I have a free Bloxy Cola, I guess. Yeah. I forgot the other endings. Hold on. I will look up the endings. I will put you inside my room. Go to bed. Okay, so I found the another ending. Objective, you know what to do. Huh? What? Huh? I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna be in this corner. Okay, I'm just gonna get the ending. Go to the bookshelf. Go outside, I'm guessing? No? Why is the moon so big? Hello. Oh. You good? Okay. Oh wait, I'm supposed to get this money over here. So it's supposed to be an ultra death ending. And then, gotta buy the orange juice, I think. Yeah, okay, I remember what to do. Yes, I would like to buy the orange juice. Okay, now I'm broke, but it's worth it. Got my orange juice. Oh wait, I know why it said you know what to do, because I've played this game a bunch of times and I'm supposed to get food. Of course. Okay, just gotta drink this. And then drink the Colgate. Am I saying that right? I don't know. But okay, and then he talks to this guy. Wait, you're here? Yes, I am. Welcome, vast starlight shimmer. It says to put on fast text, but I don't know how to do that. So yes, I've done that. That's why I'm here. Okay. I'll give you your orange and toothpaste ending now. Oh, yay. Okay, I will. Or not, I don't know. I got the ultra death ending. Now, orange juice and toothpaste is bad. I know. No, time to leave you in my bed again. And oh, hello. And find another ending. So goodbye. Okay, I got the next ending. It's gonna take a little bit. Wait, it's the next. It's the last ending. I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna get the last ending. Ah, woohoo. What do I need to do? Oh yeah, I forgot. Gimme. Now I gotta go. Now time to wait. Yes! Yeah! I want to be happy about this, but I needed it for the last ending. I don't care if I don't have a place to live. Catch on fire now. Okay. I got the last ending. House fire. You left the stove on for too long. Wait, hold. I can go back to the dummy. I got all of the endings. All of them. I even got the special one. Yeah. Ooh, beanbag. Now, let's go. Time to do this again. And go back to the store so that I can go back to the dummy by drinking orange juice and toothpaste together. I know. You sure you want to buy this orange juice? It'll cost you $30. I have exactly $30. Talk to me again to purchase. I know. I have purchased my orange juice. I hope. Okay, I forgot how the song goes. That's not the right. Oh no. Does it go away? No, my orange juice. I didn't mean to drink it. I have to get more money. I need $30. Where do I get $30? Give me. Ah. Dad, I need to steal some money from you. I hope you don't mind. Okay, I got $30. No, that's my room. I'm not gonna get breakfast. I don't know what's gonna happen if I go back to that one guy. You didn't place anything. I know. The orange juice is gone. Ah! Okay. Giant moon? Oh, that's cool, but why is my bed a different color? I'm scared now. Orange juice, then toothpaste. I know. And I'm almost there. I'm almost there. People down here think I'm crazy, but I don't care. I don't even know why I got a giant moon. I just did. Sup? Sup? He's tired of me. You sure you want to buy? Yes! I always want to buy orange juice. It's the only way to survive. Well, some of them I didn't need orange juice, but most of them. This orange juice is powerful. Now, I'm not going to hold it out because it might make me drink. I might accidentally drink it again. Hello. Does he ever wake up? I don't think he does. Only when, like, you... I want to know what that gun does. But I'm not going to see what it does. Hey. You were quite busy, weren't you? Yes, I was. The goal was there since the beginning. I know. Okay. Ending. Get a snack at... Oh! I got a snack at 4 a.m. Woohoo! Yay! I got it. Played 25 times. Visited the store 11 times. Shoplifted 3 times. Total playtime 4,303 seconds. Good job. Thank you. Am I gonna get kicked out of the game? Probably. Is it playing music? Wait, hold on. No, really, you can. I'm not gonna leave. So you're just gonna stay here to see what I have to say? Yes. Oh, sorry, I'm too disappointed, pal. But I don't have to. You're still here. Don't make me force you to leave. Just kick me out like what you did like 20 times. Or 25 times, I'm pretty sure. You're really pushing my buttons here. Cool. Alright, that's it. He's gonna kick me. You were kicked from this experience. Get out of here. I don't want to be here. Hello. Oh, you came back. Yes, I did. I want to see what the gun does. So yeah, don't mess with anything that might cause more problems. I won't. Don't worry. I will. Let me back. Let me in my house. Okay. Hello, father figure. I came back to see what this does. I did it. 100 cash to pick up. Really? Okay. So I need to get 100 cash to pick the thing up, but I can't pick up these, so I don't know what to do. Yeah, this game is broken now because of me. Can I pick up this? No. I can only interact with doors and things. This game is now done, I guess. So we will go into special place. I can't get in my room. Objectives: orange juice, then toothpaste. No. Hello. Okay, so I will end this video right here. I might do another part because I want to see what that gun does, but right now I will not. So goodbye. Read the description. Yeah, and yeah, bye. Rachel, say bye.
Rachel, say bye.